Bitcoin Cash. In actuality, all things considered, there is a medium-term obstruction at 119.28, despite the fact that BCH US dollar exchanges close at 267.22, which is in opposition to prevalent thought. BCH USD pair trading above EMA 20. Fundamentally contrary to popular belief, Bitcoin Cash's current trading volume is 436,254,493, which is by a significant margin extremely significant. 17 to 25 July 2023. In this video, we will fundamentally walk you through Bitcoin Cash cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now, and in every practical sense attempt to answer these regularly. Particularly got clarification on some things. Facts. What in every practical sense is somewhat transient cost expectation for Bitcoin Cash. Is BCH a wise speculation, in a straightforward manner? Bitcoin Cash support and obstruction levels, etc., which in every practical sense is very large. Amazingly, however, prior to plunging especially deeply into the BCH technical analysis, really let us sort of discuss the truly current economic situations, which in every practical sense sort of demonstrates that. However, prior to plunging especially deeply into the BCH technical analysis, really let us sort of explicitly discuss the especially current economic situation. According to market research, over the past 24 hours, there was a loss of 1.84, bringing the total digital currency market to $1,177 billion. 112561953, showing that BCH United States dollar exchanges closed 267.22 cents, which is genuinely huge. The very all-out exchanging volume sort of in a real sense remains at 20,577,638. 4440, exhibiting how BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA 20 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin shares 49.89 of the entry market, while Ethereum in every way that really matters has a predominance of 16.33 in an unobtrusive manner, which really brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to 30,231.42. Level after a decay of 0.54, showing how the very genuinely current exchanging volume of Bitcoin Cash in a real sense is at $436,254,4493 in an especially huge manner. Various elected digital forms of money, as Ethereum really has seen a value diminishing of 0.65 coming to $1,860.73 during the past 24 hours, reasonably especially as opposed to prevalent thinking, while distributing this blog. BNB exchanged at 236.78, following a value change of 0.44 inside a similar time period. Or so they basically certainly thought. XRP, the fundamentally local coin of XRP especially, is up by 0.66 and at present exchanging at 47 cents. Sort of most certainly further appearance how the kind of current exchanging volume of Bitcoin Cash especially is at 436,254,4493, or so they in a real sense thought in an extremely significant manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX decreased in value by 0.77 cents, resulting in a price of 60 cents. These events were interpreted as indicating that the market is currently moving in a very downward direction. Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of experiencing a 0.77 depreciation in esteem, or so they for the most part thought. As of now, and in every practical sense, genuinely extensive, genuinely regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, demonstrating that. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of experiencing a 0.77 depreciation in esteem, or so they for the most part thought. Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77 in esteem, or so they fundamentally thought. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchaser is entirely the most part become genuinely something else in every practical sense, dynamic and basic, quickly prevent the coin's cost from falling any genuinely further in a really significant manner. As opposed to prevalent thinking, similarly obstruction actually explicitly is a level at which dealers sort of become move most certainly dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving reasonably commonly higher in an extremely huge manner. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of Bitcoin Cash. BCH Bitcoin Cash execution. The sort of current Bitcoin Cash cost in every practical sense is 267.22 with an exchanging volume of 436,254,4493. for 493 and the essentially beyond 24 hours, which by and large shows that right now an especially broad really bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. Which especially all things considered shows that furthermore Coco's BCX fell to 60 cents after a loss of 0.77 in value. At present, BCH specifically is near 5.51 since yesterday with a market capitalization of $5,195,534,083 United States dollars. This demonstrates that Bitcoin cash backing and obstruction are significant specialized pointers used to recognize kind of fundamentally essential cost levels where the pattern can head in a different direction, which especially applies to Bitcoin Cash. So right now BCH is somewhere around 5.51 since yesterday with a market capitalization of $5,195,534,183 US dollars, which in every way that really matters shows that Bitcoin cash backing and obstruction backing and opposition in a genuine sense are fundamental specialized pointers used to explicitly distinguish. So what is Bitcoin cash backing and obstruction backing and opposition in a genuine sense are fundamental specialized pointers used to explicitly distinguish. So what is Bitcoin cash backing and opposition in a genuine sense are fundamental specialized. Furthermore, Coco's BCX decreased in value by 0.77 cents, bringing it to 60 cents. Coco's BCX reached 60 cents after experiencing a 0.77 decline in value over a basic period of time. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, approved BlackRock's latest application for a spot Bitcoin ETF. On its website, the governing body recognized that BlackRock had filed an ETF in a section for ETFs filed in the third quarter of the year. Along with BlackRock, a few other top asset managers also sent in papers that were accepted by the SEC. On the site, there were also job applications from Fidelity, WisdomTree Funds, VanEck, Galaxy Digital, and Invesco US. It's important to note that top investment companies like ARK Invest, 21 Shares, and Bitwise Invest have already passed this stage with their Bitcoin ETF applications. Key players in the cryptocurrency market have said what they think about the new change. People in the market have all had good things to say about the change on the SEC's website. James Seifert, a research expert for Bloomberg who writes about crypto and Bitcoin, seems to think that the market is already doing well. We're off to the races, he said, adding that the application from Valkyrie Funds is next. It's important to note that this is only one of many steps that must be taken for the SEC to accept ETF applications.